This video demonstrates the correct activation and registration process for JK Tyre's embedded smart tires. Follow each step carefully before tire fitment. Step 1. Download and open the Smart Tyre car and bike app. Create an account using your email or Google or Facebook login. Once the account is created, select Add Vehicle. Enter the basic details of your vehicle. Step 2. Scanning for activation. There are two ways to activate your sensor. Method 1. Scan the barcode printed on the bead area. Method 2. Scan the QR code near the TPMS sensor on the inside of the tire. We recommend using Method 1 for faster and more accurate scanning. To begin scanning, tap Add TPMS in the app. Point the phone towards the barcode or the QR code to scan it. Once it is successfully scanned, fill in the basic dealer details. At this stage, the embedded sensor activates automatically and the live tire health data becomes visible in the app. Step 3. Tire Position Mapping. You can now map the position of the tire. Drag the tire on the screen and reposition it to change the tire placement in the app. Your embedded smart tire is now ready to be fitted onto the car. Important instructions. Always scan the tires before fitment. Once the tire is fitted onto the rim, scanning is not possible. After scanning is completed, the tire warranty updates automatically. No additional registration steps are required.